Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how do I change my status in Outlook. So how to change your status in Outlook is very easy. What you want to do is just go ahead and open up Outlook. You can open up the web version, mobile version, desktop version, any one. And then what you do is you first go to calendar right here, okay, on the left hand panel. And then I want you to click on view right here at the top, and you'll see this one right here, filters. Okay, I want you to click on this, and here you see show as, right? I want you to toggle this one on, and I want you to go ahead and choose how you want to show as. So let's say you want to show as busy. You choose busy, or if you want out of office, you can choose those, and that is what you would show as. Okay, really that easy, and that is how to change your status in Outlook. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.